Hi, welcome to Qolaba, your all-in-one AI workspace for content creation and AI agents powered by the world's top AI models. In this quick demo, I'll show you how Qolaba helps teams and creators build smarter, faster, and more affordably without per-user pricing. First, Qolaba gives you direct access to the best AI models for text, image, video, and audio, all inside one simple workspace. For text-based tasks, you can use top LLMs like GPT, Claude Perplexity, DeepSeek, Grok, and many more. These can help you in writing, summarizing, coding, and research. For visuals, Qolaba offers you top image models like Flux Pro, Recraft V3, Stable Diffusion, Google Imagen 3, Ideogram V2, and many more. Qolaba also gives you access to the latest video models, including Runway, Luma Labs VO2, and Kling 2, with more coming soon. The text-to-speech generator in Qolaba is powered by 11 labs to generate realistic human-like voiceovers. And yes, text-to-sound effects and text-to-music are coming soon. With everything in one place, you no longer need to juggle 10 subscriptions. Most AI platforms charge per user, so adding teammates gets expensive fast. Qolaba uses a credit-based pricing model. You pay for usage and not per seat. As your credit usage increases, so do the number of seats. Every teammate gets full access to Qolaba. Whatever they generate, text, images, videos, or agents, the credits get deducted from your shared credit pool. No per-user fees, no limits. Just one flexible plan for your whole team. Inside an organization, you can also create multiple workspaces to segregate your data. These workspaces can be created department-wise, project-wise, or client-wise, depending on your custom needs. Next, Qolaba lets you build custom AI agents without writing a single line of code. All you need to do is add a system prompt. As a tip, you can create a system prompt using a reasoning model like DeepSeek R1 or OpenAI O1. Once you have a system prompt, you can upload your files in PDF, CSV, DOC, or TXT formats. You can attach knowledge bases to your agent, give it a website to scrap, or you can even enable deep scraping, which will sweep the entire domain. Once you are done, click on the Update or Create button, and your agent will be created. Let's try a demo of the agent. I'll just enter a query. How to delete my account? And the agent should write me an email, which my customer representative can send to the customer. Here is the response from the agent, which my customer support representative can forward to the customer. We're gradually adding function calling and external tool integration, so your agents will soon act beyond just answering basic questions. Whether it's a customer support bot or a content assistant, Qolaba makes it extremely easy. Moving forward, Qolaba makes it extremely simple to create cinematic videos using AI. This is perfect for creators, marketers, and educators. Let's do a test prompt, which will generate a storyboard with image prompts and a voiceover script. In this test prompt, we will create a cinematic video for the Ferrari F80. We've given our prompt for the cinematic video. So here it also gives us the music suggestion, the storyboard with the visual description, voiceover script, and image prompts. Now let's take one image prompt and take it to the Qolaba image generator. We'll select 4 images, landscape, and hit generate. Let's wait for a few seconds so that the image is generated. Our images are generated now. Let's pick one which we like. Let's go with the third one and click on video generation. Let the model be runway, duration 5 seconds, video dimension. Let it be 120 by 768 and hit the button generate. In about 30 seconds, our video will be created, which we can download and push it to our video editor. Our video is ready. Let's have a quick look. Now for the voiceover, we can head to the text-to-speech tool. Let's pick up one line from our voiceover script, put it to the text-to-speech tool, choose a voice which we like, and hit generate.
In the heart of innovation, a legend.
You can create multiple variations to get the type of exact pitch or feel that you're looking for. Now you can download your visuals, video and audio, and bring them into your favorite video editor to complete your project. This is just one powerful workflow which you can nearly automate with Qolaba. Depending on your needs, Qolaba can serve you in many more ways. So that's Qolaba, a single platform to create, scale, and automate with the world's best AI tools, without juggling multiple subscriptions or pay per user. Whether you're a solo creator or a growing team, Qolaba helps you do more with less.